Okay guys, we're gonna do an evening pick. It's a lot cooler now, but I'm afraid I have a tragedy to report. So let's go see what's going on out there. It is beautiful. We were out here the other day. There was something wrong with my squash that I keep showing you guys. And here's Mr. Rooster. His name is Duke. I'm sure this is the last day we'll see him. He's been crowing up a storm. I'm sure the neighbors have already called animal control. What do you do? Ooh, it smells like skunk out here. Oh, I knew it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at my squash. I have no idea what happened. Came out here 2 days ago and it was just looked exactly like this. Dead. Oh man, I'm gonna try one thing. I'm gonna try trimming off all the leaves to see, but it's that sweet dumpling squash I just was so in love with. Man, it probably got blight or something. But funnily enough, it's not affecting the other ones, so. Oh, it's so pretty out here. Evening. Look at all the sunflowers. All right, so we're also gonna pick the watermelon. We're gonna do it. I don't want to pick it too late. So here's my hubby. He's checking on the melons. I'm gonna get him some get him the clippers. Here, clip it instead of pulling it. Oh, you can't get it? Oh, my hands are smaller. I might be able to.
Try and cut it.
Here, I'll come on the other side and cut it. And get through here. Hey, no. The path is completely covered now. Okay. Oh, yeah, that looks ready. See, it totally looks yellow now. I don't smell it yet, but. Ooh, it's gonna be like surgery.
Yeah, it's not easy to get in there, but through in an awkward spot.
Got it? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Any more? Oh man, there's a big one down in there close to you.
Another one?
Yeah, it's not yellow though.
Oh.
Huh. So cute. Do something
about
love.
the one in front of you? I don't know if it's
No. Wow, these are just popping on. There's a bunch of them. Oh, and my cantaloupe is starting to look like cantaloupe. Yay! It's sitting on the plastic. Got it?
not very easily.
There's another melon. Does it smell good?
No.
No. Want to come pick the watermelon?
Do I want to pick it?
Yeah.
Do you want to pick it? This one. Sure this isn't ready.
Let's see. Oh man, that one is big. That's what I was saying.
But it's not really yellow. Wait.
Yeah. I'll leave it for a day or two. To ripen up
Are
a
you
quick.
going to pick that cantaloupe or no?
No.
Just roll on
I just finally got that netting on it. I could cantaloupe. See if there's any tomatoes. Oh yeah, we have tomatoes this week. These are just aromas though. There's gonna be lots this week. Oh good. My stopping watering paid off. Let's see what we got in here. Anybody? Oh, yep. Yeah. Here. Wait. to the bottom. Ooh, I don't know. It's alright. I don't want it to get bug eaten or something. It'd be so sad if it was overripe. Let's see if there's anybody else in here. Is it? That's pretty big then for supposed to be pretty small watermelon.
Hiding.
The yellow one right here.
But I don't see anybody hiding.
No. Cucumber got too big and now it's all unbleached.
Cucumber in here?
No?
Oh, it looks like a cucumber.
Really?
That is a cucumber.
What?
That's cucumber.
Oh wow, look at that. Cross-pollinated.
Really?
No, it couldn't be. Has to be a cucumber. Came all the way
Not
over.
just a volunteer or something?
Oh, maybe. Yeah, what else would it be? Here's, this one might need to be cut. Look how weird this one is. It's bent over completely.
Oh, this is it.
It was on, oh, maybe it came over from the other bed. That, cucumbers can cross-pollinate with the watermelon.
No, it's right here.
Oh, is it? It's just a volunteer?
Another little cucumber.
Really?
No.
That's funny. Might need a knife for this guy.
Yeah, it's coming out right here. Did you plant it?
No.
Coming out in a spot like you can eat it.
Oh, really? Well, maybe the seeds got mixed up.
Yeah, right here. Even has those little.
Oh,
This is it.
sure enough. Yep, that's it. That's funny. I'm sure I just mixed up the seeds like it fell out of my bag or something as I was leaning over. Well, freebie. Yeah, definitely planted too many cucumbers. Can you cut this one? It's, can you reach it? Okay, yeah, there we go. Oh, there's another one underneath it.
It's like a cluster though.
Yeah. And that one. Careful. This is why this one was not producing. Yeah, it's an L shape.
Man, let me come over there.
Yeah. Dude, these are gnarly. Look at that.
What's going on
Wow.
with this thing?
Look at that. I must have snapped it off and thought I got it all. Definitely not. Chicken food.
Throw it in there.
Well, I hope they eat it. Oh, I bet there's lots of cucumbers in there. Let's see. Here's one. Somebody's been nibbling on. Naughty. Oh my word. Lumbergeddon over here. Oh. Man, I'm struggling with this fence thing. Look at that. It's all squished in there like that other squash was. Yeah. This one was squished in the fence. There's this guy. Hilarious. I think I'm gonna pick this right now. They can get bigger, but I don't really like the way they taste when they're bigger. And then you use it more. Ancho. They should be quite a bit bigger, like that big, but that plant, they're not getting very big. They might be too crowded. So turn off the water. Oh, is it? Really? That's exciting. I haven't even Epsom salted it yet.
Are these tight?
Yeah.
There was one.
Whew.
I just.
Sorry.
No, that's all right.
Those
Usually the tip isn't too bad.
Uh oh.
It's pretty spicy.
Pretty spicy.
Pretty hot.
That means the those are the ones that make the powdered
Yeah.
that I use all year. Is there anything else in here?
Yeah.
Put up this garbage to shade
Jalapeno.
This is like a California Reaper or Ghost. I can't remember which tag's down there. But anyway, we're gonna get some.
Finally.
Yeah, finally.
3 years.
Yeah. Yeah, man, this is the year for hot season vegetables. Yeah, my
Can I eat the rest?
I wouldn't. Can't recommend it. Oh yeah, look, there's atomic
Some of these purple
grapes
tomatoes.
are gonna be ready right there.
Right here.
Yep. Oh, cool. These are good. I like them for making sun-dried tomatoes the best. They dry really well. Perfect size, not a lot of seeds.
Man, you better not have thrown a half-eaten pepper in there.
Oh, maybe these aren't ready. I was thinking it was. Good. I need peppers. Sorry. Ah, that one had. What do you call those stupid pincher bugs?
Earwigs.
Earwigs. Had earwigs on it. That's what was eating it. A bunch of peppers coming right there. I'm gonna go pick green beans.
Okay.
There's my old dog. Dog's being outside. There's the babies. Man, this is not where we go to bed. It's supposed to be inside the coop. These girls always stay up a little bit later so they can get more food without everybody picking on them. Let's go look at the green beans. Oh, I have a basket now. Oh yeah, I got a million. Good. It's enough for dinner and I haven't even taken a step. I definitely need a basket. I think Adam's got the rooster. Yep. It's not exactly a mean rooster.
No.
He's a sweetie. Look at those legs.
Yeah. Starting to get those long neck feathers though.
Yeah.
That roosters get.
So I was reading about that because I was trying to help Christy. These long ones, and they're skinnier than on a hen. The feathers are skinnier, and then on their down back here, oh, they call them saddle feathers. See these?
Oh yeah.
These are long and skinny if you compare it to a hen of the same breed.
Mm-hmm.
They said that's a sure way of telling the roosters even at 3 months.
Oh really?
Yeah. Hey buddy.
I didn't notice that much of a difference between them.
I know, that's the thing. The only difference I really notice is that, yeah, Cinnamon, I wasn't going to step on you, I saw you. I mean, to me the girls are fluffier, they're fatter, and he's taller. He's obviously going to be
sure, but
big.
I was thinking at 3 months. What's
Yeah.
up, buddy? It's okay.
Poor guy. Just wants to be in there with the girls.
He does.
But, nope.
As you might imagine.
Went away. Did you cook tonight, Dad? This week we'll get tomatoes. One says food, right? Delicious.